Welcome to the Stylish app promo for Premiere Pro. Here is your folder you just downloaded for Envato, and here is the Stylish app promo mocked file. What you need to do is drag this mocked file here in the Essential Graphics menu inside Premiere Pro. Then you make a new sequence and drag and drop your mocked file here in the sequence. Automatically you will prompt to change sequence settings to match the mocked file settings or keep the sequence settings you just made. In this case, I will change the sequence settings and match the mocked file settings. In the Essential Graphic, you select the tab Edit and then select the mocked file layer. All controls will be revealed here in the Essential Graphics Edit menu. First of all, you have the logo. Here is the logo placeholder. You just place your logo from the project menu here inside this Envato logo. Then you will have the option to change the logo color. In this case, the opacity for the logo color is 0. So you can select whether to use that logo color or not. Next is the logo background color. In this case, the background color was again with 0 opacity value. And next is the BG opacity, in case you don't need the background opacity. After placing the logo, you have a gesture tapping and you can adjust the position, as you see here, and the scale of the gesture. The text colors refers to all the text in the template. So in this case, you have 2 colors for the text and 2 colors for the background. A good idea is to use these colors inverted. So when you have, for example, a white background color, you need to have a dark text color, like in this case. There is also an opacity slider for the background in case you need to have There is also an opacity slider for the background, in case you don't need a background. Here are the smartphone colors. You must have at least one color check. So here we have a space gray, and now we select a blue one, or we may like to have a gold one. Smartphone's color selection refers to all the smartphone scenes. Here are the 10 included scenes as well as the text. Let's see how you can customize these scenes. Let's place an image to placeholder number 2, number 3. As you see, placeholders are a really easy procedure to place, but in case you need to edit the placeholder, let's place this one here again. You double click the placeholder image and you are in a new timeline which includes that placeholder. As you see, you can scale or add any layers here in the placeholders, just like a timeline in Premiere Pro, which is what exactly is. So here are the placeholders. Next, there is a text. Fit to zone is the up screens we use. So you edit text number 1. This is text number 1, the bold letters. You can change the font, of course. Text number 2 is the text just below. And text number 3 is the smaller text here. There is also a line here where you can adjust its position from here. In this text color, you have a slider to adjust the width of that line. This is our last scene, and this is scene number 9. Here you have one placeholder. Again, you drag and drop your image here. I think it's a really easy to use template, because what you have to do is just open your scene, place the placeholders, your app screens, just like this. Edit your text, place your logos if needed. For example, here you have the options for the App Store or the Android Store. Here you place your logo and you're good to go. So I hope you enjoy working with this Premiere Pro version of the stylish app promo and make great promos. Thanks for watching.